Hello, my name's Anna Campbell. I make jewellery and I teach jewellery making in London in the UK. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make a beaded French knit necklace. To make this project you will need a French knit dolly. Now I recommend the Clover Wonder Knitter because it has quite a large gap through the centre which is very helpful for putting beads through. Beading wire or tiger tail of your choice of colour. You can choose whatever size and shape of beads you like. I've done it with seed beads or larger beads, it doesn't matter. You can use any clasp that can secure the ends, so a kumihimo clasp or ribbon ends. You need some kind of weight to weigh down the cords, so I use a bunch of keys. You need a couple of little lengths of wool or cotton just to secure the ends of the necklace. A strong glue like a super glue. 1 cocktail stick. Firstly, you need to thread all your beads onto your spool of tiger tail. You can't add any more later, so you need to make sure you do this at this stage. Take the end of your tiger tail cord and thread it down through the top of the French knit dolly. Tie on your bunch of keys just to weight it down. To cast on, take your cord to the left of one of the pins, it doesn't matter which one, and around to the right of that same pin. Then take that cord to the left of the next pin anti-clockwise from where you are, as you can see in the photo. Just to note, I've used wool here to make it easier to see in the photos. Take the cord around the front of the pin and to the left of the next pin until all the pins have cord around them, as you can see in the photo. The first pin you wrapped should now look like this. Pick up the stitch and drop it over the cord. Turn your dolly anti-clockwise and do the same again. Pick up the stitch and drop it over the cord. The process of French knitting is just to do a stitch, turn anti-clockwise, do the stitch, turn anti-clockwise, etc, etc. When you're ready to start adding beads, thread the bead along your tiger tail and drop it in between 2 pins and then stitch it in place. When the necklace is the right length, you need to cast off. So take the end of the tiger tail and cut it to around about 15 centimeters in length. Then you need to take that through one of the stitches and pull that stitch off of the dolly. Do the same thing on all of them, so put it through the stitch and then pull that stitch off the dolly. Tie an end of wool or cotton around the ends just to secure them together and add some glue. Use the cocktail stick to press that wool into the kumihimo clasp. Alternatively, use a ribbon end and use pliers to just squash that in place. You can make the necklace as long or as short as you want, and I hope you really enjoy making this project.